Hello! Welcome to the Blue Huron. We're finally getting around to filming the final showcase of how all our updates paid off for our rental season this past summer. So when you walk in the door, this is the dining room and the living room, family room, kind of hanging out area. We did end up doing something major to this room, and it was painting the dark beams white. Because we found when you walked into this room, the first thing you looked at was the dark beams. And we were like, this has got to go. So we ended up painting them white, and now I find when you walk into the space, the first thing you look at is the beautiful view in the distance. So this cottage was full of really awkward light placement and just bad lighting in general. So the old ceiling fan used to actually be right here where the smoke alarm is. It was really odd. Maybe there used to be a table here. I'm not sure, but even if the table was here, it wasn't centered over the table. So we were able to bring the wire again over here, climb up into the attic, and drop a chandelier above the table to create a focal point and a resting space for the table to sit under. The other major change that we did do to this room, there was an awkward track lighting here. And it was kind of weird because it wasn't in the middle of the room and it wasn't in the area where people really hang out. And I thought the lighting was really intense and would just shine on people's face. So what we did add was this ceiling fan. It's really useful in the summer because it helps to bring that breeze off the lake and blow it around the cottage, because you don't have air conditioning here, but I find you don't really need it because the breeze from the lake does give a nice cool breeze all summer long. And in the winter, it does help circulate the heat within the space and kind of blow it around. In the before photos, you can see that there used to be a faux rock wall here, and it was so bad. It wasn't to code, it was very low, and it, you know what, it just ruined the space and actually cut the space off, and it didn't feel as open. So one of our first ideas in the space was to open this up and add a custom metal railing here. One other major change that happened in this room was adding this fireplace. One thing that is really cool, all this rock that is surrounding the fireplace is actually from the property. So we went and picked it from outside. We ended up using an electric fireplace because it's easy for the renters to turn off and on. The focal point before, it used to be way over on this wall, because that was the TV wall, believe it or not. And the sofa used to be where the fireplace is. Something doesn't feel balanced at all in this space. We're using the room incorrectly and we need to be able to add more seating. So by adding the fireplace, we were able to float the sofa in the middle of the room here. Add a love seat and also add a chair and a large coffee table for activities. The neat thing about this mantle that we had custom made is that we added a mesh front to it. So we're able to still control the TV without seeing all the mess in behind.